How to add money to TikTok shop balance. In this video, I will show you how you can add money to your TikTok shop balance. So to get started, go ahead and open your TikTok account. And then once you're on your TikTok account, head over into the shop section. So once you're on the shop section, go ahead and look for the payment section. So click on the payment tab once you find that. And then under the payment tab, you'll be able to find your TikTok shop balance section. So once you click on the TikTok shop balance, you'll be able to find your TikTok shop balance. Now, there is no direct way for you to deposit money to your TikTok shop balance account. What you can do instead is to go ahead and receive your refunds on TikTok Shop on your TikTok Shop balance. So once you receive a refund from an item that you've returned on TikTok, you'll be able to receive that refund on your TikTok Shop balance. And that is how you can basically add money to TikTok Shop balance.